Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to lose weight while eating wholesome vegetarian meals, I've got something amazing for you today. It's called the Daily Dozen, and it's a simple yet effective way to guide your nutrition. The Daily Dozen was created by Dr. Michael Greger and includes beans. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. When it comes to weight loss, beans are your new best friend. The fiber in beans helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal, preventing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Aim for at least 3 servings a day. A serving could be a quarter cup of hummus, a half cup of cooked beans, or a full cup of fresh pea pods. Now that's what I call a versatile superfood. Next up, berries. They're bursting with antioxidants and fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Aim for at least 1 serving a day. A serving is a half cup of fresh or frozen berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, they all count. Berries are great, but don't forget about other fruits. Variety is key for getting a wide range of nutrients. Aim for at least 3 servings a day, with a serving being a medium-sized fruit, a cup of chopped fruit, or half a cup of dried fruit. Cruciferous vegetables, your cancer-fighting allies. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. They're packed with compounds that can help your body fight cancer cells. Try to incorporate at least 1 serving a day. A serving is a cup of raw leafy greens like kale or a half cup of cooked cruciferous vegetables. Greens. Think spinach, arugula, collard greens, mustard greens. The darker and leafier, the better. Aim for at least 2 servings a day. A serving is a cup of raw leafy greens or half a cup of cooked. Other vegetables. Eat the rainbow. Variety is key. We're talking about carrots, bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, zucchini. The list goes on. Aim for at least 2 servings a day, with a serving being a cup of raw vegetables or half a cup of cooked. Flax seeds, tiny seeds, big benefits. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. Aim for at least 1 tablespoon a day. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or add them to your oatmeal. Go nuts for weight loss. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pecans, they're all good for you. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Aim for a quarter cup a day. Choose unsalted or raw nuts whenever possible to avoid added sodium and unhealthy fats. Spice up your life. Spices add flavor without extra calories or sodium. Many spices also have added health benefits. Aim for at least a teaspoon of turmeric a day. Experiment with different spices and herbs in your cooking. Whole grains, the real deal. Whole grains contain all 3 parts of the grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm, making them a good source of fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Aim for at least 3 servings a day, with a serving being a slice of whole wheat bread, half a cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa, or a cup of ready-to-eat cereal. Hydration is key. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight management. Water is the best choice. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice. Get moving. Last but not least, exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Your Daily Dozen journey starts today. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making healthier choices every day. If you try out the Daily Dozen, let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who could use some healthy meal inspiration.